Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Tina. How are you doing? How's your day? Winter is coming, holiday season is almost here. So you can see so many department stores are selling Christmas cards, New Year cards, all the holiday cards, including Costco. So I bought this whole box holiday cards and would like to do an unboxing video and a quick review with you guys. Let's get started. Front of the package. Handcraft holiday cards
with self-sealing envelopes distributed by different Costco warehouse locations. Seattle, US, Ontario, Canada, Mexico, UK, France, Australia, Iceland, Korea, Japan, China, all that.
The back side of the box with all the designs and with the names as well. I just grabbed the scissors or you can pick a knife. Let's unbox it. The box with 30 cards and envelopes are quite heavy. Wow. Wow, here we go. Every single one of them are totally different designs. So I will open all of them and show you guys one by one. The box is super organized and every single card has a plastic cover. Also at the back side shows what's the one inside to matching with the one on the box. First one. Ho ho ho, let it snow. Name at the back. Oh my gosh, so sweet. They even have a protective paper. When you mail it, you can put it on top of the card to protect it. This is a beautiful envelope.
Happy holidays and best wishes for a wonderful new year.
Number 2, Merry Christmas to you. Protective paper, matching envelope, little cute scarf. Wow, inside.
May this special time of year bring you joy and happiness.
Number 3, best holiday ever. This one can be used starting from Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, even Lunar New Year.
Oh my god, it's the best time of the year.
Number 4, Santa Claus flying high. Merry Christmas.
Santa's flying high to bring you loads of holiday fun.
Number 5, so many cute animals here. Koala monkey. As this is handmade, some of them are not
Perfectly
calculated. Like here, some watermark But overall the experience is really cute. Cute panda here.
Warm and friendly greetings for a Merry Christmas.
There's a koala at the back. Number 6. Two little cute deers in the snow. It's shiny, very glittery. And it's a cute deer at the back.
May the wonders of the season make this holiday the happiest of all.
Number 7. Cute polar bear looking outside of the window. Protective paper. So cute, so shiny. Wow.
Hoping your holidays are warm and cozy. Holiday cookies.
Number 8.
Recipe for happy holidays: 2 cups of love, 1 cup of friendship, 1 barrel of laughs. Stir together and enjoy.
Number 9. Snowman.
Enjoy the wonders of winter this holiday season.
Number 10.
Season's greetings.
If you want to send the greeting cards but just don't have much to say,
Then this one is perfect for you. Nice design and no space to write much.
Number 11.
May you be surrounded by family and friends during this holiday season. Self-sealing envelope.
Number 12. Soldiers. Season's greetings to you at this special time of the year. Number 13.
You can write down greetings wishes here. Look, it became a cute television.
This one so far is my favorite. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. Number 14. So shiny.
Hoping you get everything you wish for this Christmas. Number 15. Season's greetings. May you have the sweetest Christmas ever. Number 16. Snowman. Wishing you the best and brightest holiday season. Number 17. Dancing reindeers. Hope your holidays are fun.
Alright, next.
Wishing you happiness this holiday season and throughout the coming year.
Another cute penguin. Happy holidays.
19. These penguins are singing praises at the holiday concert. Number 20. May every joy be yours this holiday season. Number 21. General store. Enjoy the warmth, wonder, and the magic of the Christmas season. So many details, like a Christmas village. Number 22. May your home be filled with warmth and beauty this Christmas. 23. Candies. I like the material, sounds very high quality. The sweetest moments of the season are the ones we share. Happy holidays! Number 24. Santa in his pajama is drinking coffee. Looks so relaxing. Even Santa has to chill a little. Hope your holidays are relaxing. Number 25. Hoping that your Christmas holds all you ever wished for.
Okay, we got the last 5.
This one is number 26. Happy holidays! Pool here. Santa the snow angel, ha. Santa says you've been an angel this year. Enjoy. Number 27. Whoa, so many stamps. North Pole Post Office. December 25th, Reindeer Express. Just for you, naughty or nice. Check twice, nice. Santa Claus authorized the signature. A special delivery of Christmas cheer and happiness all through the year. 28. Candies in our socks. Hope your stocking is full this year. Merry Christmas. 29. Bird feeder. Wow, so detailed. Wishing you peace this holiday season. It's a 3D Christmas tree.
After we reviewed one by one, let's talk about the price. So I got from Costco warehouse, which is $20.99 before tax, about 70 cents per card before tax, or roughly 80 cents after tax. If you cannot go into the Costco store, you also can purchase from Costco online. It is $9 more, become $29.99. So it's $20.99 before tax in the store and $29.99 online. Now I will give you some suggestions and reasons for you to decide if you should buy it or not buy it. First, these are all papers, no expiration days. Also, if 30 cards this year is too much for you, you can share with your family members or friends. And the price is really good. It is only 80 cents each after tax. I used to buy holiday cards from Target, Walgreens, which is easily $3 to $4. I find a card from Home Goods I purchased previously. The special price still need a $1.99 before tax. Even from Dollar Trees are $1 each, and without much design as well. Even with the holiday cards, thank you cards with a small box from Safeway, it's still 50 cents each. 3D with great quality, and they even give you a good big storage box to save all the cards. Also, I'd like to give you suggestions about why you should not buy. First, these cards contain so many details with the plastic and the small pieces materials. Some of the international countries may not accept it. You will get a return and a higher price for the postage cost. For these small cards, the postage cost will be much lower, so you need to consider about the postage price for international mailing. Second, if you are minimalist and you move around a lot, this will be an extra item for you unless you know you will use it in 1 or 2 years. Otherwise, I don't see the reason for you to carry it around. Number 3, if you only have 1 or 2 friends each year, you need to send the mailing cards. This is not for you. Just go to Trader Joe's, Dollar Tree, Walmart to buy the $1 card. Because for other people, each card they will save at least 30 cents. Each year they can save $10 on 30 holiday cards. But for you, it's not really worth for you to keep it. Lastly, if you know your friends only care about digital cards, they don't think this is something special, then I don't think you need to buy this box. Thank you so much. You made my day. If you feel happy by watching my video, please give me a like and follow my channel. I promise I will do more unboxing videos in the future. See you next time. 拜拜。